Alright, here we are, 2160 Banyan Road, Unit A31. Definitely needs new flooring, new light, new switches. We need a new door here. Hot water heater looks okay. Need to redo this little unit here. Kitchen, new exterior door. Remove this wall, more of a pass-through or an opening to the dining room. New fixture, all new flooring. New door for the linen closets. AC seems to be pretty loud. That may be just a maintenance issue. New doors into the secondary bedroom. Window treatments. Maybe save the closet doors on those, just redo them. All new flooring. New fixture in the hall. Update the service. Update the bathroom. Might see the tub, maybe just spray the tub. Little storage up there. New fan. New light fixtures. New vanity. New thermostat. Master bedroom. Redesign the closet a bit, a little more modern. Walk-in 5x5. New doors for the closet for sure. Need to retile or stain the concrete exterior. We have the small master, vanities. Take down the tile, all new shower component. Need to update pretty much the entire place. New door here for the bathroom. Alright, and that's Banyan Road.